Whoa. Oh. Get me here a little, lift her tube a little looser. Right about there. Yeah. She
started until
she actually neck rings.
Yeah, that's what I figured. But
Neck ring?
Well, this one doesn't.
What's the difference?
Come on. Come.
Craig, it doesn't have power steering.
Maddie, we'll go up that way for one picture. Okay?
Yeah.
Move out of the way now. Okay.
Actually, I'm videotaping. I'm kind of waiting till Craig falls off. All right.